Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about joining sounds and blending sounds with two letter sound. We will write these sounds like this. These are letters and these are consonants. Consonants, these letters, these are the alphabets without vowels, and these are the vowels A, E, I, O and U. We will blend consonant with vowels letters just like this. B, B, and the sound is ba. A, and the sound is a. Ba, a, b. K, k, a, k. And this is the sounds. D, a, d. F, a, f. G, a, g. H, a, h. J, a, j. K, a, k. L, a, l. M, a, m. N, a, n. P, a, p. K, a, k. R, a, r. S, a, s. And T, a, t. V, a, v. And V, a, v. S, a, s. Y, a, y. Z, a, z. And just like this, we will with E and with I and O, U, and so on these letters. We have blend these letters with three letters.